here you have the MEA building, and then this is the Mediplex where me and Mirella got vaccinated. This is an office building called the Park, but I am here for the Queen Sirikit Center, so let me show you a little bit more up close there. Good afternoon. I'm here at Ratchadapisek Road, across the street from the construction of the new Queen Sirikit Convention Center. And I just wanted to give you guys a little update. So they are hard at work to get this center done, and a little bit later I will cross the street and I will show you how it will look in the future. I made a little drone footage so you can see how it looks from the air now.
The Queen Sirikit National Convention Center is located next to the Benjakitti Park. The original center opened in 1987, but it closed in April 2019 to start the renovations. The total costs of this project are 12 billion THB, which is about 31 million euros or 36 million US dollars. The constructions are scheduled to complete in September 2022. The new Benjakitti Forest Park, as you can see in this shot, should be ready by then as well. The Queen Sirikit National Convention Center will have a direct connection with the Queen Sirikit MRT station. There will be 3 subterranean levels and 3 floors above ground. The total area of this project is 280,000 square meters, which is about 13,014,000 square feet. The exhibition space will be 78,500 square meters, which is 845,000 square feet. This makes the new version of the Queen Sirikit Center about 3 times as big as the original one. There will be 2 large exhibition halls, and there's going to be parking space for around 2,700 cars.
So you might recognize this as the highway where I made a video about the 28 days later a couple of months ago. But this is the original overpass that goes to Rama 3. So here in front you have the MRT station, the Queen Sirikit MRT station, and this is the construction site right behind it. And this is the old stock exchange, but it's completely renovated. And there you have an office building called the Park. And this is a hotel called Moderna. And I remember last time I called it the Moderna office for the vaccine, but that's not true. And that office building is the FYI Center. Okay, so let me show you a little bit more about the construction here at the Queen Sirikit Convention Center. This here in front is Rama 4, and here you have the MEA building, and then this is the Mediplex where me and Mirella got vaccinated. This is an office building called the Park, but I am here for the Queen Sirikit Center, so let me show you a little bit more up close there. But this is all going to be connected with that, so this is going to be hotels and offices that are connected with the center. This is the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center MRT station, and this already connected with the old Queen Sirikit MRT, but obviously it's going to be the station as well for the new one here. Inherit, maintain, continue. We used to go to this convention center a lot, like at least twice a year. There was always a holiday, a travel fair. So there was always a At least 2 times a year there was always a travel fair. At least 2 times a year there was always a travel fair. And we used to go here and get some good deals. So here you have a bit of an idea on how it's gonna look on the inside. I actually always thought it was a pretty nice convention center, so but I guess they needed to update it. So on this one you have a good view, a good idea how it's gonna look on the outside. So it seems to be like 2 or 3 stories high. It's here right next to the Benjakitti Park. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line. I will be keeping you guys up to date about anything that's happening in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next